I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to hide the taskbar. First, right-click on an empty space on your Windows 11 taskbar. A context menu will appear. Select Taskbar Settings from this list. In the Settings window, locate the option labeled Automatically Hide the Taskbar. Simply toggle this switch to the On position, and your taskbar will now disappear when not in use, giving you more screen space. It's a quick and easy way to declutter your desktop. Beyond just hiding it, you can further customize your taskbar's behavior. Head into your Windows personalization settings, then click on Taskbar. Here, you'll find more options to fine-tune its appearance and functionality. You can adjust taskbar alignment, choose which icons appear, and even manage system tray items. These settings allow you to personalize your desktop experience to better suit your workflow and preferences, making your Windows 11 environment truly yours. When you're using applications in full-screen mode, like watching a video or playing a game, the taskbar will automatically hide itself. This ensures you have an uninterrupted and immersive experience without any distractions. If you need to access the taskbar while in full screen, simply move your mouse cursor to the very bottom edge of your screen. It will temporarily reappear, allowing you to click on icons or switch between applications, then hide itself again. If your taskbar isn't behaving as expected, a quick fix is to restart File Explorer. You can do this through Task Manager. Also, always ensure your display drivers are up to date. Outdated drivers can sometimes cause display glitches, including taskbar issues. For those looking to streamline their daily routine, check out the link in the description for some fantastic leak-proof containers that make meal prep a breeze. They're perfect for keeping your food fresh and organized. You'll also find other great deals there, so take a look.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.